the tiny enclosed world of a microscope. It's a place of stillness, of the inanimate. Or so I thought until that moment, the moment I saw something moving. It started like any other day in the lab. I was a young student, eager to absorb everything, and my focus was on the mysteries hidden within the microscopic world. I set up my slide, adjusted the focus, and leaned in close. The image swam into view, a collection of cells, maybe a bit of dust, nothing extraordinary. Then, a flicker. At first, I thought it was my eye playing tricks, a tiny anomaly in the periphery of my vision. But it persisted. I adjusted the fine focus, and there it was, unmistakable. Something was moving. Within this static landscape, life had sprung. A single-celled organism, a paramecium, perhaps, was making its way across my field of view. Its cilia, tiny hairs, propelling it forward in a mesmerizing dance. My breath hitched. It was a visceral reaction, a moment of profound realization. This wasn't just a collection of lifeless cells, this was life itself. The same fundamental principle that governed my own existence was present here in this miniature world. It was a shock, a thrill, a moment of pure wonder. I watched, transfixed, as this tiny creature navigated its world. It bumped into things, changed directions, and seemed to respond to its environment. It was alive in every sense of the word, and I, for the first time, felt a connection to something so small, so distant, yet fundamentally related to me. That moment under the microscope changed everything. It wasn't just an observation, it was a revelation. It ignited a passion, a curiosity that has stayed with me to this day. It was the moment I truly understood the interconnectedness of life, the beauty of the unseen, and the infinite wonders that await us, if we only take the time to look.